All right, today, this rainy day, sounds like a snare drum in here. We're working on the El Camino. It's a 65 El Camino. If you're not familiar with this thing, I've got a lot of videos on it. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. Check out the playlists on the 65. And we've got a big playlist on the Trans Am as well. Both of them are big projects. The Trans Am is, it's got its whole list. Go check it out. This thing has a huge list too. It's a total work in progress. We've already rebuilt the whole front end, converted it to disc brakes and all that good stuff. Now we're dealing with a blinker situation. If you have a, 64 through 66, maybe 67 might be the same. A-body, GM, Chevelle, El Camino, Malibu, maybe a GTO, maybe fall also under the same. Cutlass maybe, I'm not sure if all those have the same exact setup, but what's going on with this one was like you jump in the driver's seat and like you fire it up, go to back out the driveway, and the blinkers would start, you could hear the flasher switch start clicking. And you hadn't even done anything. You hadn't touched the blinkers. And you're like, what in the world's going on? You hit the blinker switch, lever, like one direction to the other and then back to center, and it'd quit. Then you get going down the road, and